Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's your girl Rita and I am so thrilled to have you here today. So today I'm going to be showing you how I trim my hair, and I'm going to do it while it's straight. So I'll straighten this guy and then show you how I trim my hair. So I'm moving a little bit fast, so I'll just rewind and show you all that I've done to the hair before getting to this stage. So if you want to see that, stick around and go nowhere. But first, before we move into this video, if this is your first time, don't forget to give your girl some support. Just click the subscribe icon, and of course check out my other videos. Drop your girl a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video up. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm just going to go straight into this video, and I'm going to stop whining. I wanted to do a chit chat video, but I talk too much, so I'm going to stop talking and just do what I'm here to do. Okay, see ya. Yeah. How's that supposed to go? Okay guys, so the first thing I did was to apply banana hair mask to my hair, and I carried that for about 30 to 35 minutes or thereabouts before going in to rinse it. Now as usual, bananas turn brownish when they oxidize, so yeah, look at that juice. So just concentrate on rinsing this out. And y'all, if you want to try out the banana hair mask, the most important thing to note is that you have to sieve it and get all of the fiber out, otherwise you're going to have a lot of residue in your hair and you don't want that. So sieve your bananas, guys. So oh my gosh, let's not talk about that length, but anyway, I'm rinsing out the bananas from my hair, and after doing that I went in with my shampoo. Now this is not my usual wash day routine. I'm just doing it this way because I don't want to spend too much time washing my hair, as I want to straighten, blow dry, and blah blah blah. So I'm kind of trying to minimize the time that I will spend on my hair. Okay, so after shampooing, I'll shampoo again because I'm not taking any chances. So this shampoo really feels good on my scalp, probably because I mixed it with some essential oils. So you might want to try that. That's some trick to get your scalp to be soothing and relaxed and calm, if there's anything like that. Okay, so then I went in with my scalp massager to just massage my scalp, and that felt great, y'all. If you haven't tried this, please try it and let me know how you feel after a good massage on your scalp. Honestly, y'all, I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. Okay, so I get the shampoo out of my hair, and then the next thing I did was to dip condition. So I went to my favorite dip conditioner and I dip conditioned my hair. So I also used this time to detangle my hair because I didn't detangle at the beginning as usual. But anyway, so I got to do that, and yeah, of course I like to work in sections, so I did that in sections as well. So first section the hair and then work in smaller sections so that you can easily detangle, and then put that in a twist or something just so that it doesn't get tangled up again. Alright, so I'll just keep doing that until I am done, and then we can move to the next stage. Now that I'm done with that, I'll just rinse this hair out, and yeah, go ahead and blow dry. So what I'm doing here is blow drying my hair section by section. Oh, and by the way, I applied a little bit of leave-in conditioner, so feel free to do that as well, but just a little bit because you do not want your hair to burn out. Yeah, so now I'm just blow drying in sections. You can use a rat tail comb, or you just use the blow drying comb, or so. Yeah, whichever method works best for you. And yeah, don't forget to use a heat protectant. Okay, that is very important if you're going to apply heat to your hair. Whether your hair is of low porosity or high porosity, it is very, very important. So I used a heat protectant before using the blow dryer. I just skipped that part because I didn't want this video to be longer than it already is, but I'll put that product in the description box, and you'll get to see me use it again before straightening my hair with a flat iron. So yeah. Okay, so now that we done blow drying our hair, we have to do something really, really important, and that is getting your Beyonce on, guys. I'm just kidding. Just don't break your neck or something. Alright, so now that I'm through with that, I'm just going to straighten my hair using the flat iron. I am setting this guy at 360. Yeah, 360. I know, that sounds crazy. Anyway, so because we want to trim our hair, you're going to need a pair of scissors or hair shears. You're going to also need some crocodile clips and a good comb. So yeah, don't forget to use your heat protectant. Mine is a spray kind, and I'll apply it to every section before going over my flat iron. Then I flat iron using a comb to guide my flat iron and to detangle my hair before the flat iron is placed over it. Sort of makes it smoother in some sort of way. Yeah. So what I'm doing is to run through each section with the flat iron about 2 or 3 times before trimming the tips of my hair. And when it comes to the back of my hair, I don't care how I trim it because the back of my hair is always longer than every other part of my hair. But it doesn't matter what I do, or if I trim it to be shorter than the front, it will just end up being longer than every other part of my hair. So I don't stress about it anymore. I just trim barest minimum and yeah, move on. Okay, so I just keep doing the same thing and then trimming the tips the barest minimum. Right, so guys, I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you. Thank you so much for your love and support, your comments, your views, your thumbs up, your presence and subscription on my channel are really highly appreciated, and I just really want to say thank you from the deepest part of my heart. I love all of you. Thank you so much. And yeah, if this is your first time on this channel, of course, I love you too. Don't forget to click the subscribe icon. Also click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and drop your girl a comment, because that's how we do. You are welcome, and thank you. Now, whichever strand I find that has single strand knots in it, I hunt it down and I cut it out, because we are not taking any chances. And I kind of noticed that the single strand knots are more in the front and towards the middle, than at the back. It's like the back is all smooth, but the front has a lot of knots, and so does the middle. I don't know why, but that's just strange, sort of. Yeah. So now that we're done trimming, I'm just going to further straighten my edges, because you know, it can be very, very interesting. So I'm just going to do that, and voila, we are done, guys. So I'm gonna wear my hair straight for a while, and then we revert back to kinky, coily afro hair. I miss it already. Oh. So now that we're absolutely done, this is what my hair looks like. So yeah, you can actually trim your hair by yourself in the comfort of your house in this COVID season, and I hope this COVID thing is over soon. And I hope you all are staying safe, yo. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. It has got a more volume, a more body than it used to when I put some heat in it, and I am just so thrilled. I am so happy. We've come a long way. Yay! So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Drop your girl a comment. Check out my other videos. Give this video a thumbs up, and of course click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. Thanks guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, I remain Rita, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.